Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin has been playing with late long liquidity over the holidays, dipping into a box spanning from 94,000 to 95,000, even touching 93.4 thousand on Christmas Eve. But as of now, we're trending up again, almost escaping this liquidity trap. The one-week liquidation heat map highlights a cluster of hot leverage around 92,000. But what's even more interesting is the two-week heat map, which shows a much hotter pocket right at the $100,000 mark. That's where the market makers might be looking next, because liquidating there would be far juicier. Also, let's face it, it's time to pump. Everyone, myself included, is buzzing about an upcoming alt season. But here's the reality. Altcoins won't pump unless Bitcoin pumps first. The dominance is already in a downturn. And when Bitcoin dominance falls while its price rises, you know what that means. It's altcoin pump time. Let's go, Mr. Bitcoin. Next target, 100,000. Now, I stumbled upon an old chart of mine with an intriguing fractal I overlaid back in September. The bars on the fractal are yellow, and it predicted ranges like 64,000 to 120,000 for December, and 79,000 to 127,000 for January. Amazingly, the December candle landed smack in the middle of that prediction. If this fractal keeps playing out, we might just see Bitcoin hitting a peak between 218,000 and 473,000 by next July. I don't know how seriously to take this, but hey, it's a fun thought. Let me know in the comments if you're riding this fractal train with me. Also, if you've got any hot altcoin tips for holding into 2025, drop them in the comments. I'm always curious about new plays. In other news, there's a fresh buzz around Bitcoin's clean energy usage surpassing 50%. If you remember, Elon Musk once said Tesla would accept Bitcoin payments again if its mining energy came from more than 50% renewables. Michael Saylor tweeted about this today, tagging Elon Musk directly. Hey Elon, you once said Bitcoin could return to Tesla if 50% of its energy came from renewables. Well, Bitcoin is now 56.76% sustainable, outperforming every other major industry. Will Tesla embrace Bitcoin again? The world is watching. Saylor even shared a graph showing Bitcoin's sustainable energy use now leads every major industry at 56.76%. So Elon, it's your move. What do you think? Will Tesla start accepting Bitcoin again? Let me know your thoughts down below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this breakdown, join our Discord for deeper market discussions. Make sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on these updates. And see you in the next one.